In ShipConstructor 2019 R1.1, a convenient feature has been introduced to improve the way you get equipment stock from AutoCAD geometry. This wishlist requested feature allows you to easily and efficiently create equipment stock from modeled AutoCAD geometry, such as 3D solids and block references. This will save you time and increase your workflow efficiency. In the main dialog, you will have the option to automatically replace the AutoCAD geometry when creating the new equipment stock. Once assigned to the product hierarchy, the equipment stock is created and added to the equipment library where further editing can be done. Download and install ShipConstructor 2019 R1.1 from SSI Nexus to benefit from this new feature today.